Today I'm gonna be eating some Kit Kats. Not just any kind of Kit Kats, some special flavor Kit Kats from Taiwan. But another thing that makes it special is they are expired. Here's another one, Kit Kat Census. And look, once again, expired. What's up guys, how you guys doing, man? Today's April 26th. Been about a month since the quarantine. Been boring. I've been working at home. Been staying at home for like over a month now. I'm bored. Haven't ate any really good food. Haven't gone out to go eat. So, in all honesty, I have no more content to film. I do got this one video though. I'm gonna be eating some Kit Kats. I got this Kit Kat at the Taiwan airport in 2018 when I went to Macau. And I never got a chance to eat them because in 2019 I was trying to lose weight, so I didn't eat that much candy. Finally decided to give this a try. But one thing I did notice, they are expired. I don't know if you can see it, but hopefully you can see it. It is expired. Both of them has been expired for over a year. This one was due to expire end of March 2019. And this one was due to expire end of April 2019. So both of them has been expired for over a year. I'm still gonna eat it. Let's see what happens. Let's see how it tastes. Give you my review of this. Hopefully I won't die and I will be able to upload this video. But hey, let's see what happens. Desperate times call for desperate measures. I have no more snacks at home, so I want some good snacks. Let's try these out. So I have ate one of these before just because I was curious. But other than that, I haven't had any of these. Unbox it. Well, not really unbox it, but I guess I'll take it out. It is pretty hard to open. Like this. So I believe I paid about like 15 bucks for each of these. It's been a long time. I don't really remember. Open up this one. Slide right out. Pretty cool. Let me see. Get a milk chocolate. So I'm just gonna eat one by one, tell you the flavor and tell you what I think about it. Kit Kat review. They come from Taiwan, special flavor. The first one I'm gonna eat is caramel. This is how it looks. Man, there's a lot of caramel in here, man. A lot of caramel. This one's not bad. I like it, but I think I still prefer the original Kit Kat more. But it's not bad. The next one I'm gonna try is Hazelnut. Hazelnut. I don't know how hazelnut tastes like, but I guess it tastes like this. I don't know. It is different from caramel. This one not bad either, but I feel like this is not something I can eat a lot of. Next one I'm gonna try cookies and cream. Cookies and cream. This should be interesting because I love cookies and cream for ice cream. So let's see how this goes. Nothing special about this one. I kind of expected more. I don't know. This is really nothing special. Has a bunch of cream filling in there, cooking cream filling. I think I prefer a normal Oreo over this. Next flavor is Mocha. Mocha. It's kind of melted too, man. I guess it's been so hot in my room. I don't know if you can see it, but it's kind of melted. But, still eating it. Very strong mocha flavor. This one may actually be my favorite out of the one I ate so far. I got one more to try from that one box. This is milk chocolate. I'm gonna assume this is a normal one. So let's see how this tastes. This is like the most normal Kit Kat, not all of them. But I still prefer the normal Kit Kat that we see, in America, the one in the orange package. Prefer that one more. But this is as basic as it can get. So I just finished all 5 flavors from here. I think the one I like the best is the Mocha. I like the Mocha the best. As far as like eating a lot of these, I don't think I could eat a lot of these. Like the normal Kit Kat, I could eat a lot of and I could eat it non-stop. But this, I feel like I can't eat a lot of. So I guess what I'm saying is I do prefer the normal Kit Kat over these flavored Kit Kats. It was a nice experience. I think I did pay about 15 bucks for this box. But you get about 12 pieces only. So really not that much in here. Pretty expensive, but I guess, you know, you're just doing it for the experience. I'd rather buy a bag of normal Kit Kat. Not bad. So I just ate like 5 Kit Kats, and they were small Kit Kat too. Small, very, very, very small pieces. I just ate 5 of these. I feel like I need a break. Like other Kit Kats, I can eat like a whole king size bar and be okay. I'm gonna need a break before I go on to these, so I'm gonna take about maybe like a half an hour break. So damn, I got a bunch of chocolate flavor in my mouth right now. But I'll be back. Hold on. Took a break. I'm back. Coconut flavor. So these do come more sticks in here, so these are actually pretty cool. I guess it's nicer, but doesn't have as much flavor. I mean, different variety of flavor as the other one. Yeah, these are melted, dude. I think my room's been too hot. Okay. Yeah, it's melted. You see, it's kind of melted. It's really hard to take out right now. I like this one. This one good. It really does taste like coconut. You can taste the coconut in here a lot. Next one, double chocolate. How interesting. Still a little bit melted, but not as bad. Let's try it out. This one's pretty good too. We got chocolate filling inside. I can eat this one. I like this one. This one is caramelized hazelnut. I'll be interested to see how this one tastes. So they got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They got 6 bars in here. 6 mini bars in here. Just if you're interested. So I'll pay about 15 bucks for this one too. This one's not bad either. This one tastes like a normal Kit Kat. Almost. Yeah, that one tastes like a normal Kit Kat. Yeah, not bad. I like these 3 the best. Which one I like the best? I think I have to go with that coconut. The most out of all the Kit Kats I tried today. This has a really strong coconut flavor. I like coconut stuff, so maybe that's why I like that one the best. But I think I still prefer the normal Kit Kat we see at the American stores, the one in the orange packet, over these flavor Kit Kat. Yeah, because I don't think I could eat a lot of these. Like, this whole thing has 6 bars in here. It's not that much. I probably can't finish it in one setting, but it's not something that I would want to do. Like the normal Kit Kat, I can finish that like nothing. This one, I just ate 3 bars in here, and like, I feel satisfied enough already that I don't want to eat anymore. I guess that's a good thing. You're not eating as much, but maybe it's because I don't enjoy it as much either. I don't know, but this is my review. So as I did say, I did get these from the Taiwan airport. I got it as one of those gift stores, gift shops that sell candy and chocolate. I saw it, I thought it was pretty cool. I think they were about like 15 bucks each. If I remember correctly, I don't remember paying more than 30 bucks in total for both of these because the price was in Taiwan dollars. So I don't remember the exact conversion or the exact price. I just remember looking at my credit card bill and it was like 30 bucks or 33, something like that. About like 15 bucks a box. They get it at the airport. You know, I thought it was cool, so I decided to try it. Even though it has been expired for a year, I really don't think that made into effect of how it tastes, because it actually tastes like pretty normal in my opinion. Like the chocolate was fine, but hey, let's see what happens later. I prefer this box over this box. This box was not that what's that word, amazing to me. This one was really good, but I still prefer the normal Kit Kat. But if I had to choose between the two, I would definitely choose this box. All 3 flavors was really good. I really enjoyed all 3 flavors. But yeah, thank you for watching, man. I don't know what other kind of videos I have coming up. This is April 26th. The video before this, I filmed in December 23. So between December and April, I didn't film anything. In January and February, I just been so busy with line dance stuff, because February is like Chinese New Year. Well, this year it happened in January, so or late January. So just January, February, I was busy with like line dance stuff. I didn't have time to go out to film any restaurants and review them. I which I really did not, because I didn't know that coronavirus situation was gonna happen and we were being locked down. And then in March, I just kind of like took a break because I was, I did so much line dance stuff. I just really needed my break, so I didn't film anything. And then like towards like the end of March, I think like around March 20 was when they put down the stay-at-home orders. The restaurant started closing, and then from there I was like, crap, I can't film anything now. But I still had a good amount of Macau videos to edit and push out, so I wasn't too worried. But now it's like end of April 26th, and we're still in lockdown and restaurants still aren't open yet, so it's kind of like I have nothing to film. So I'm not too sure when the next video will be out, but I think of something, man. But other than that, appreciate you watching. Thanks for the support. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Bell notification for new videos coming up. Really do appreciate it. Thank you for watching. Peace out, guys.